In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor credit in Zoho Books. This is a useful feature when you need to adjust for overpayments or returned goods with a vendor. And Zoho Books makes it easy to handle these situations efficiently. To get started, you'll want to sign in to your Zoho Books account and head straight to the main dashboard. Once you're at the dashboard, your first move will be to navigate to the Purchases tab. This section is crucial as it organizes all your transactions related to purchasing. And you'll find everything from purchase orders to bills here. Look for the Vendor Credits option. Clicking on this will open up the section specifically designed for managing vendor credits, which shows you any existing credits and allows you to create new ones. When you're ready to create a new vendor credit, you'll need to select the vendor you wish to attribute the credit to. This is an important step because each credit needs to be linked to a specific vendor. It helps in keeping your records accurate and makes it easier to track transactions with each vendor. After selecting your vendor, you'll need to fill in the various details required for the credit. Start with the credit note number and ensure you have your order number handy as well. Don't forget to enter the credit date, which marks when the credit is being issued. These details are key to maintaining a chronological and organized purchasing history, making it easier for you and your vendor to track the credit at any point in time. Next, you'll want to choose the item or items for which you're issuing the credit. Make sure you enter the correct quantities in the credit form. Accuracy here is crucial to ensure the vendor receives the correct credit amount against future purchases or adjustments. It's always a good practice to double-check these numbers before proceeding. If you have any supporting documents, like invoices or email correspondence regarding the transaction, it's beneficial to attach these files. Attaching these files provides context and transparency, and can be hugely helpful if you need to reference this credit in the future or clarify details with the vendor. Once all the information is filled in, you'll have an option to either save the credit as a draft or mark it as open. If there are any details that might require further verification, save it as a draft. Doing so allows you to finalize everything before the credit becomes active. However, if you're confident all the details are correct, you can go ahead and mark it as open. This action will activate the credit and make it available for application to the vendor's balance. By following these steps, you've successfully created a vendor credit in Zoho Books, making your vendor management more efficient and your accounting records more accurate. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Zoho tips and tricks.